This experiment's called the mass of a gas. In your comp book, you should have this written in. It's on Canvas. And then this page in the text, which is also on Canvas, goes along with it. Notice there's 3 blue questions you'll need to answer. The data table is a little bit more complicated than the other ones in this chapter. We need a mass before, a mass after, and we can calculate the change. Then we want a mass after opening too. If we take the mass after minus the mass after opening, that's going to give you the mass of the gas. Okay, so here's what we've got for our setup. I'm going to do mine a little bit differently than what they've done in the book. I didn't have any Alka-Seltzer tablets. So in this plastic bottle, I've got a little bit of vinegar. And over here, I've got a little bit of baking soda. When you put it together, it's going to create a gas. And so we want to get the mass before. So I don't think this is going to be 100, but we'll start there. And it's not. I really think it's going to be... Okay, so it's 40-something. Mm, 46, it's almost a 0.9, so 46.88 is what I'm going to call it. Let's see if we can see that. 46.88. So that's what's going to go right here in your comp book for mass before. Then what we're going to do is put the baking soda. Now I got to be quick with this. I'm going to put the baking soda in with the vinegar and then quickly put the lid on it. And you can see it's fizzing up. There's a gas definitely being produced there. And we're going to let it go here for a couple minutes. I probably won't even need to go a couple minutes. Looks to me like it's done. You can see it's done fizzing. So I'm going to set this back on there. And I need to make sure I include this too because that was on there the first time. And you can see that we lost a little bit of mass, probably because I didn't get the lid on quick enough. It's about 46.28 is what we'll call it. So that's what goes here, 46.28. So mass after minus mass before is going to give you your change in mass. And then what we're going to do is unscrew the lid. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear this or not, but if we captured the gas, which we should have, you should hear gas escaping. We couldn't necessarily hear that. But we're going to leave the lid off. And let's see what the mass of the gas escaping is. It looks like it lost a little bit. Mass, we'll call it 46.19. So the mass after opening here is going to be 46.19. Just subtract these two things to get the mass of the gas. And don't forget to go back through and answer the 3 blue questions too in your lab. So that's it.